Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 caulking gun. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and thank you to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Electric Caulking Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Lipo Duo. Voltage, 18 to 20 volts. Push speed, 200 mm per minute. Thrust, 600 kilograms. Size, 300 milliliters. Speed gear, 6 gears. Glass glue type, structural glue and filling glue. Batteries included, no. Product number 4, for Speed's Glass Glue Caulking Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Rexlo LXB. Speed gear, 4. LED brightness, 450 LM. Material, plastic, iron. Voltage, 18 volts to 20 volts. Working current, 1 amperes. Work pressure, 120 kilograms. Rack propulsion speed, 0 to 220 mm per minute. Motor speed, 0 to 16,500 revolutions per minute. Power source, battery. Size, 41 by 26 by 9 centimeters. Product number 3, Cordless Caulk Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Leezy. Power source, battery. Material, plastic, iron. Voltage, 18 volts to 20 volts max. Working current, 1 amperes. LED lumens, 450 LM. Work pressure, 120 kilograms. Rack propulsion speed, 0-220 mm/min. Motor speed, 0 to 16,500 revolutions per minute. Product number 2, Jism Cordless Electric Glue Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Jism. Power source, battery. Motor, brushed. Thrust, 400 kilograms. Speed, 6 speeds. Battery, 2.0 Ah. Applicable glass hose, 300 milliliters. Adjustment speed, 6. Product number 1, Glass Glue Caulking Gun. Specifications. Brand name, TKKESE. Voltage, maximum 18 volts. Current, 1 ampere. Material, plastic, iron. Battery capacity, 2000 milliamp hours. LED lumens, 450 LM. Adjustment speed, 4.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.